Welcome to another video on the Staver Health YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gut health and discovering the ultimate gut-friendly meal that you can easily whip up in your kitchen. We will be sharing a recipe later in this video, so be sure to stick around till the end. I'm excited to share some tasty and nutritious insights with you. Let's get started. We all know that gut health is crucial for our overall well-being. A healthy gut not only aids in digestion, but also supports our immune system and influences our mood. And today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a delicious and nourishing meal that will do wonders for your gut. Picture this: Greek yogurt, creamy and rich, combined with a blend of spices and a variety of vibrant vegetables. Sounds mouth-watering, doesn't it? But did you know that this combination isn't just delicious? It's also packed with gut-friendly nutrients. When you mix Greek yogurt with spices and vegetables, you're creating a powerhouse meal for your gut health. Let me break it down for you. Greek yogurt is more than just a tasty dairy product. It's loaded with beneficial bacteria known as probiotics. These live cultures, including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, work wonders for your gut by promoting a healthy balance of bacteria and aiding in digestion. Now, let's talk about the other half of the equation: vegetables. Foods like tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions are not only flavorful, but also packed with prebiotic fibers. Prebiotics act as fuel for probiotics, encouraging their growth and activity in your gut. Think of probiotics as the friendly bacteria in your gut and prebiotics as their favorite food. When you combine Greek yogurt with spices and veggies, you're creating the perfect environment for those beneficial microbes to thrive. The probiotics in the yogurt feed off the prebiotic fibers in the vegetables, resulting in a harmonious balance that supports your gut health. So, the next time you're planning your meals, consider incorporating this ultimate gut-friendly meal. Not only is it delicious and satisfying, but it's also a fantastic way to nourish your gut and support your overall health and well-being. Here we go on that gut-friendly meal. Take a half cup of Greek yogurt, mix it with 1/4 cup of diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup of cucumbers, 1/4 cup of green chilies, 1/4 cup of finely diced red onions. Top it off with some salt to taste and chili powder and some ground cumin. And there you have it, a gut-loving healthy meal. If you found today's video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried combining Greek yogurt with spices and vegetables to create a gut-friendly meal? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Staver Health YouTube channel for more valuable health tips. Are you interested in learning about a vitamin that can cause unhealthy aging if you are deficient in it? Click the video you see here. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.